Welcome back. In our previous video, we explored the concept of yarn linear density and its significance in the textile industry. Today, we're going to dive deeper into how we measure yarn linear density using both direct and indirect systems, along with the various types of measurements associated with each system. Let's start with the direct system of yarn linear density measurement. In this system, we directly measure the length and weight of the yarn to determine its linear density. The most common units used in the direct system include tex, denier, and decitex. Now, let's break down each type of direct measurement. Tex is the most widely used unit in the direct system. It represents the weight in grams of a yarn of 1,000 meters in length. So, if a yarn has a tex count of 50, it means that 1,000 meters of that yarn weighs 50 grams. Denier is another unit used in the direct system. It represents the weight in grams of a yarn of 9,000 meters in length. Denier is commonly used for finer yarns, such as those used in stockings or lingerie. Decitex is similar to tex but represents the weight in grams of a yarn of 10,000 meters in length. It's often used in the European textile industry. Now, let's move on to the indirect system of yarn linear density measurement. In this system, we measure the length of a fixed weight of yarn to determine its linear density. The most common units used in the indirect system include English count, metric count, and French count. Here's a closer look at each type of indirect measurement. English count. English count refers to the number of hanks of 840 yards each required to weigh 1 pound. For example, if a yarn has an English count of 20, it means that 20 hanks of 840 yards each weigh 1 pound. Metric count. Metric count is similar to English count but is based on the weight of 1 kilometer of yarn. It represents the number of kilometers of yarn required to weigh 1 kilogram. In conclusion, both direct and indirect systems offer different methods for measuring yarn linear density, each with its own set of units and calculations. Understanding these systems and their types is essential for accurately assessing and comparing yarns in the textile industry. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of textiles.